Hi there, today we're showcasing the 12-pack of multi-use clear plastic storage bins that come with handy black labels for easy identification. Each bin measures 9.6 by 6.6 by 4.1 inches and is made from thick, food-grade, BPA-free plastic that's durable and easy to clean. These versatile bins are perfect for organizing spaces like your kitchen, bathroom, pantry, office, or even your RV and fridge. The clear design lets you quickly see what's inside, while the handles make it simple to pull out and carry each bin. Use them to store everything from snacks, jars, and condiments to towels, office supplies, toys, and craft materials. With smooth edges and a solid structure, these bins offer long-term use without any sharp corners to worry about. Get ready to create a neat, tidy, and efficient space with these premium storage containers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.